Good day. I am a work of art. My name is Kenteran Extreme. 20 years old from Tagbilaran City, Bohol, Philippines. Currently living in Barangay Dampas. I am a Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering, third year student. As you can see, I have a painting here. Dove painting. It is a reflection of my inner world. All the colors I choose here, the strokes I made, it's all a manifestation of my thoughts, emotions, and experiences. When I paint this stuff, I'm not just creating an art, but rather expresses my own identity. I'm a canvas, and life is my brush, shaping me into a masterpiece. As I navigate through life, I realize that every challenge, and every triumph has added the strokes to my canvas. My canvas. Sorry for the dove represents peace and hope, and that's what I strive for. To find peace amidst chaos and to be a beacon of hope for others. Art has become a way for me to express what's inside, and I believe that's what makes life is so beautiful. The ability to create, to feel one, to connect with others in a deeper level. As I continue on this journey, I'm learning to appreciate this the the beauty of imperfections and the stories behind every strokes of this. I'm my art is a reflection of my growth, and I'm excited to see how it will evolve. I'm crafting my own narrative, one stroke at a time, and I hope that my story inspires others to embrace their own creativity and see themselves as works of art too. I'm not just a student, I am a work of art.